Welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to uninstall CST Studio any versions from your Windows laptop or computers. So I'm using Windows 10 and 11, like basically 11, and the procedure is very common for even Windows 8, Windows 7 or Windows 10. Which version of Windows you are using, the procedure is almost common to uninstall your CST Studios suite. So basically when you have this necessities that when you wanted to downgrade your CST, or sometimes you wanted to upgrade your CST, sometimes you have a license issue, so in that case you need to uninstall your existing CST Studio. So I can show you that currently I have installed CST Studio 24 in my system, and I'm going to uninstall it for you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, just click on the window button and you need to search for a control panel. So when you find control panel, click on it, then you will get this control panel screen, and here you will get, sometimes you will have this option, maybe large icons like this, or you have small icon like this based on the system you already configured. So if you have something like this, then you come here in the right top corner, select it as category. So once the category is selected, you will have the visual like this, and you go down, find the programs. Don't click on the program, instead click on uninstall a program. Okay, so click on uninstall a program, then you can see that all the softwares that already installed in your computer will be listed here. And since it is CST, it's basically follows the alphabetic order, and you can see the CST Studio even in the top list itself. So this is the CST Studio. So if we wanted to uninstall, either select this and click uninstall option here, or else you can right button on the particular software and you can click on uninstall. So once it is clicking on uninstall, it will ask you to want to uninstall, then you need to click yes. Then it will configure, and followed by any options it is asking, click yes. Then you need to wait that it will uninstall the backup file which is already stored in your CST. So wait for this, because once it is done, you need to cross check whether any folder exists in your C drive, and if there exists after the uninstallation, you need to delete that. So kindly wait for it to uninstall, because it's a software of 4 to 8 GB. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes based upon the system performance. So once it is uninstalled, we will cross check whether any folder exists in the C drive.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who.
Okay, so again, just right button here, I will just refresh, and as you can see that there is no CST visible here. So it is completely uninstalled. Now I will go and check the C drive, whether go to C drive, go to program files, and yes, of course, you can see here there are few backup files available, and you need to delete this as well. So click delete, continue. Okay, so this is option, and that's how now you can say that the CST Studio is completely uninstalled. And if you want, you can able to restart once one time your system, and your system is ready to go for the next fresh installation of CST. Thank you for watching, and in the upcoming video I will show you how to install the latest version of CST. Please stay tuned. Thank you.